Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate eBay Partner Network to monetize listings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate eBay Partner Network, start by navigating to the eBay Partner Network website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the necessary details, including your email address, username, and password. Once registered, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in your email to verify your account. Log in to your eBay Partner Network account. In the dashboard, locate the section for creating campaigns. Click on the option to create a new campaign. Provide a name for your campaign that reflects your listing focus. Select the type of products or categories you wish to promote. Set goals for your campaign to track performance. Generate your unique affiliate tracking links for your chosen listings. Copy these links and save them for your promotional content. Integrate the links into your website, blog, or social media channels. Monitor the performance of your links in the eBay Partner Network dashboard. Analyze the data to optimize your campaigns over time. Stay updated with eBay's guidelines and policies for affiliates. Regularly refresh your listings to maintain engagement and interest. Engage with the community for tips and strategies to enhance your efforts. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.